Hello learners, today in this video we will see how we can create a simple login page by using Android XML file. So to do that, first right click on app folder, select new, activity, and from the list select the empty views activity. We'll provide a proper name like login page, okay, and it will generate a layout called activity underscore login underscore page. Let's make this activity a launcher activity. Let keep the source language as Java and just finish it. Now in empty activity we don't need to perform any operations in Java file. In this video we are going to learn how we can design login page. So we need to go to activity login page layout file in res folder, double click on it, so layout file will appear. You can click on the center button, that is a split button situated here, to see the code and design together. Now in this we already have a constraint layout present here. We just need to delete all the contents that present in this file and we'll begin our design here. Okay, so first we need to create a linear layout. Okay, just select the linear layout from the IntelliSense appeared. Do not use this height and width appear directly, so we need to delete it first. So let's delete it. Now set the height manually, select the layout height and set it to match parent. In same way set the layout width as match parent. We also need to set the orientation of linear layout, that it indicates whether we need to arrange our elements horizontally or vertically. So for login page right now we need to arrange all the elements vertically, so we'll set the orientation as vertical, and to keep all the things in center we need to set the gravity as center. Now after doing that, just go to the end of linear layout and delete the self closing tag and externally close the linear layout so that we can add some element between the linear layout and closing tag. Now first we need to add the text view as a title which indicate that it is a login page. So let's quickly add the text view. Let's set the width and height as wrap content. Let's set the text as a title. Set the text, Android text as title, and it says say login page. Let's set the text size as say 30 dp. Okay, and just end the text view. Okay, so here you can see that the title tag is appeared at the center. Okay, it is appearing in the exact center because we have set the gravity as center to the linear layout, its parent layout. Okay, now we need to edit text to get data from user as a username and password. Okay, so let's quickly add the edit text. Again set the layout width with match parent and height at wrap content. Let's set some padding as 10 dp and also margin to 10 dp. Both 10 dp is set. Okay, as it is a edit text, we can provide a hint that work as a placeholder which indicates user that which kind of value he need to put inside this edit text. So by using a hint property we can set please enter username. Okay, and just end the edit text. Okay, Now I can see the padding is okay. Let's keep the padding as it is right now. We will change it after some time. Let's copy this edit text and just paste it below the other edit text and put the enter username. Instead of enter username, we'll set the password. Enter password. Okay, so now we have two edit texts below the login page title. Now below this edit text we need two buttons. Okay, that is, one is for login and another is for forget password, but I need that button side by side. Okay, not one below the another but side by side. Okay, so our linear layout, our parent linear layout indicates that the element should be vertically arranged. Okay, so to arrange the another element as horizontal, we need to create the another linear layout. Okay, and let's set the another linear layout and set the width and height again in the same way. Android layout width as wrap content, as a match parent, and height as wrap content. Okay, again let's set the orientation as, now it's set to horizontal, and let's not make the gravity, but let's set the padding as say 20 dp. Okay, now inside this linear layout we need to put two buttons. Okay, so we'll put the button 1 as button 1 wrap content, both should be the wrap content thing. Let's say text indicates that login, and let's set the padding as say 10 dp. Okay, and let's make the width not as wrap content, but let's automatically set another width like say 100 dp. Let's make it 200. Too big. Let's make it 150. Okay, that's enough. Okay, and just end the button. Let's take the another button, copy it, paste it here, and let's make it as forget password. Make it as forget password. Okay, and now let's set the margin left side, margin left as say 50 dp. Okay, so it will set the button as properly as beside the login button. Okay, now at the end of linear layout we need another text view which indicates if you are not a user you can register. So let's quickly set the text view. Okay, let's put the layout width and height as wrap content, and let's put the text as say, just put in not a user. Okay, just put that, and let's say text size is 20 dp. Okay, let's also set some margin, and let's set the margin as 30 dp all around it. Okay, now in below that we need a button which allows a user to register if it does not have a login credentials. Okay, so let's put a button here. Let's say the button. Now width will be match parent and height will be wrap content. Padding obviously will be 20 dp, and also set the margin as 10 dp. Okay, and now set the text as register here. Okay, and say text size as 20 dp. Okay, so here you can see a proper registration page. A register here looks big, so let's put to 15. Okay, that's look good. So here you can see a simple login page defined, okay, and designed by this simple XML layout. Okay, I hope it is clear to all. Okay, and subscribe this channel so you can get the another videos, another content of Android videos after this. Okay, thank you.